In this problem, we're looking at 4 1/2 times 3/4. That is because it told us that Emma ran 4 1/2 miles, and for 3/4 of that run, she ran uphill, and we are asked to figure out how many miles she ran uphill. So that means we need to figure out, well, what is 3/4 of 4 1/2? So the first thing I'll do is think about the area model that I will set up. I know that 4 1/2 means that I have 4 holes and 1/2 of another hole. So I will make a 5 by something array for my area model. And then 3/4, well, I know that is part of one hole. So I'll actually be making a 5 by 1 for my area model. And so then now I can go ahead and label what we have here. So we have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus, and here's where we'll show the 1/2. And that is being multiplied simply by 3/4. So this hole will need to be split into fourths, going horizontally. And again, I'm doing the best we can free-handed on making these sections as equal as we can. And now we want to just think about or box in the amount that we're actually working with. So we're doing 4 1/2. So that means we'll come all the way over to here, 4 1/2. And that's by 3/4. So that's just 1, 2, 3 of these fourths. There we go. And so again, you may find it helpful to shade in the amount we're referring to as well. So we can just do that quickly. And then we'll go back and figure out what we've got. Okay. So when we look here, this is where we have 3/4, and we have that 4 times. We have it once, twice, a third time, and a fourth time. So we have 3/4 4 times. So I know that would be 3/4, 6/4, 9/4, 12/4. So I know we have 12/4, which is actually equivalent to 3 holes. We'll go ahead and put that there. And then we need to just look in this last hole that we have here. Remember, each section that's outlined in black represents one hole with the area model here. So we'll need to look at how many parts that's broken into and how many are shaded. So we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means we have eighths here, and there are 3 of them shaded in. So that means this would be 3/8. And so that means to see the solution here, we just need to add 3 plus 3/8, which would be 3 3/8. And that would mean that Emma ran 3 3/8 of her run, or 3 3/8 miles of her run uphill. And if we stop and think about that, that is reasonable. There's 3/4 is close to one hole. So it's like we're saying almost her entire run was uphill, and 3 3/8 is close to that entire amount she ran, which was 4 1/2 miles.